an expert manufacturer who would be easy to communicate with.
Hi, this is Model Rapid.
Model Rapid is a world-class manufacturing factory located in Shenzhen, China. We use advanced equipment to offer you a variety of services, including CNC machining, vacuum casting, 3D printing, and injection molding. We offer a unique rapid tooling service as well. Communication with Model Rapid team was very easy. We are passionate about supporting you and turning your ideas into a reality. Once your order is confirmed, we will perform a design for manufacturing review to qualify every aspect of your project in advance, to offer you shortest lead times and greatest value. From here, we offer an outstanding global service, and we are very proud to work with over 800 customers from 40 countries every year. Quality is the foundation of our existence. Our customers are especially pleased by the inspection department. We know what you want. Just believe in us. If you have any new project that we can help with, just send us an email. How about talking with us?